Hello, source code enthusiasts. My name is John, and within the next 5 minutes, you will learn how to create a professional looking GitHub profile page. Yes, what I'm going to do within 5 minutes is walk you through your process using an automated tool that's going to make your profile stand out. Now, it doesn't make a difference if you're looking for a job, if you're trying to promote your open source software, or just want to take pride in your online profile. This tool is going to make you a very nice looking profile which will pop, and it's only going to take you a few seconds. So if that sounds good to you, we'll crack on very shortly. Obviously, this is the YouTube, so if you like this kind of content, click the subscribe button to get weekly videos on developer productivity. So, assuming we've done that, let's crack on and create our profile. The focus of today's video is just going to be on improving this area. Now, in a previous video, I have actually gone through and told you how to completely improve your whole profile. That video is linked below, but today we're going to be focusing on this. Now, in order to get this text to appear at the top of your profile, you're going to need to create a repository. So the repository is dead simple to create. Get your GitHub username and then create a new repository. Call the repository your GitHub name and then make it public and add it with a README file. After you do that, what will happen is you'll get this little bad boy here. Clicking on it, you're going to have a project README, and then any content that you add within this README is going to be published on your profile. Simple. So the next step we need to do is generate all of this content. Now, obviously, you could try and copy and paste mine, or you could try and do something manually. However, if you go over to this tool, which is at, I'm not even going to pronounce the name, but the GH profile README generator, what we can do is generate a good looking profile. So as you can see here, we can get stuff like profile views, badges, we can get links to our socials, we can have lists of all the programming languages we're familiar with, we can even get stuff like our GitHub stats, our code rating, our contributions. So adding all of this stuff is super simple. All you need to do is go to the home page. You're going to then get presented with a plethora of options. So I'm going to say, my name's John, I'm passionate about front-end developer, and I'm from London. I'm currently working on a Optimizely full stack. Here's my link. I can put in the project I'm collaborating with. You can ask me about React. You can say how you can be reached. You can add the project or your blog. You can add stuff like your experience or your fun fact. Now underneath this you have a option of selecting your skills that you're familiar with. So yeah, you get the drill. Go through this list, tick the ones that you're interested in. Job good. Now this list is split into programming languages, front-end development, so we've got our frameworks like React, New, Backbone. We've got our back-end development, so our Node, Go, that sort of beautiful stuff. Mobile app developments, AI and machine learning, databases, so we've got our Redis, Postgres, all that's amazing stuff. SQL servers, data visualization, DevOps. So yeah, I'd be a bit sort of careful not adding in every single thing under the sun, otherwise your profile might become a bit too big. But as you can see, we can add in lots and lots of options here. So after going through, picking all the stuff you want to add, right down the bottom you can start adding in links to your social. So we can do things like linking to our GitHub, Twitter, CodePen, Stack Overflow, LinkedIn, Medium, Facebook, Insta, all that sort of good stuff. Now, because this is probably more professional, I would recommend that you don't put your Facebook, just put things that you want professional people to be able to read. So yeah, stuff like I'd tend to add like Stack Overflow, Twitter because it's just for work. You get the gist. Then we can also decide what badges or add-ons we want to display. So we can do visitor counts, GitHub trophy, GitHub profile. We can do our latest blogs from Dev2, Medium. We can get the latest blogs from my personal account. We can also then even add in stuff like support from Buy Me a Coffee or Ko-Fi username. Once we're all happy with the options, click on the big Generate README button. You can guess where this is going. We're now going to get a load of Markdown, so we can click copy on Markdown, we can download it or back it up, and then we can also preview it. So as you can see, this is the example that I've just currently created. Now if I go back to my repository, click on it, click on edit, paste all this stuff within my repo, then click on this save. I'm going to commit this. Now when I go back to my profile, you can see that I've got a brand new profile. It looks a lot more sophisticated than just not having anything. Obviously you want to probably tweak this a little bit because this is a bit too loud for my liking. However, as you can see, within 5 minutes you can do something super simple to make your GitHub profile stand out that much better. Pow! Under 5 minutes, quick simple tip to make your GitHub profile pop. Now, if you like this tip and you'd like to see more types of tips like this, let me know by hitting the like button. Hitting like basically means that you want to see me do more videos on productivity, so it would be appreciated. If you made it this far into the video and you like my face, I like your face, hit the subscribe button so you can get an update on all my weekly YouTube videos on productivity, developer, useful resources, all that kind of beautiful stuff. Otherwise, I hope you go out and actually action this tip now, because it will take you less than 5 minutes to do this change. Hope you're having a great day wherever you are in the world. Till next time, happy coding.